Hey, so if Notion AI keeps crashing or freezing, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to work and the app suddenly stops. In this guide, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix this issue. First, close Notion completely and reopen it because this can fix temporary glitches. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, since Notion AI depends on it to function properly. You should also update Notion to the latest version because outdated apps can often crash. Clearing cache or temporary data can help, since corrupted files may cause instability. If you're using Notion in a browser, disable extensions. Yeah, especially those that might interfere with performance. If your page has too much content, try working on a smaller or cleaner page to reduce load. You can also try switching to another browser or device to see if the issue is specific to your setup. And if nothing works, uh, reinstalling Notion can fix deeper problems. So yeah, that's how to fix Notion AI crashing problems. One of these steps should help you get back to work smoothly. Hey,